So yan, first time encounter also sa giraffe. Ayan, so much for that. Punta naman tayo dun sa ibang side, sa ibang animals. Malapad-lapad dito guys, kaya samahan nyo ako sa aking pamamasyal dito sa Alcor Park. Hello, hi. Yeah, it's my second time. Guys, the girl gave me the food for the peacock. I give her the food, see? Watch. I want to give her. Maybe she will bite me. Hey, come here. It. It's not bite. She's not biting. See? So lovely. Grabing slow. So first time kung encounter ng peacock. Grabe. Ang saya dito guys. Thank you, Alcor, for this very wonderful experience.
A few moments later.
This one, guys, you will love it.
It's called blue and gold Macau. They are also lovebirds, but they are huge ones. See guys, look at them. They are also very colorful. Ang ganda. The best talaga. Ang ganda.
One hour later.
Ayan, palapit na siya guys. I think ito yung Arabian Oryx. Ito yung national animal ng Qatar. Yung na-cover ko rin siya previously sa aking video dun sa may Aldosari Zoo. Ito yung Arabian Oryx. I came to face also. Ang ganda pala nila guys, oh. Ayan.
2 hours later.
Ayan, parang hindi naman siya deer. Yeah, very cute. Goat ata to. Yan, goat. Hello. So cute. Hello, chicken. And goat. Hi, chickens. Chickens and goat kid. Yan. Grabe.
Ayan guys, ito. Yan, pinaba tayo. Gutom na ata siya guys, ayan. Tingnan mo guys, ha. Ang saya. Ang saya. Grabe. Kaya kumakain ng tinapay. Yan guys. Yan, pinapatayin nila. Yan guys, pinapatayin nila ng mga kambing dito.
3 hours later.
So ayan guys, very amazing yung experience dito sa may Alcor Park. Grabe, may in love ka talaga sa mga animals, no? Iba-ibang klaseng animals na nandito. Nakikita lang dito sa Doha. Ayan, no? Yan sa likod ko is zebras. Yan, ang ganda ng nila, ang ganda ng stripes. The best. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Pasyal-pasyal din kayo pag may time dito. Ayan, makikita nyo. So over here guys is white rhinoceros. Hala! Come guys, let's go and take a look. Also, I came face to face with the rhino. Ayan, ganyan pala guys yung rhino. Yung itsura niya guys, way back parang Jurassic period. So let's take a look guys sa may sa white rhinoceros. Ayan guys, oh. Yan guys, see? Grabe guys. So I came face to face also with the rhinoceros. Para siyang dinosaur.
Paano masabi?
Yan, grabe. Hello, rhinoceros. Come here. Come here. Yan. Yan. He's moving, guys. Tingnan mo, guys, yung ano niya, oh. Yung kanyang sungay. Yung sungay niya. Ito yung ano yata, ito yung animals na very exotic na rin siya, endangered. Grabe, ganyan pala yung itsura ng rhinoceros. Yan. Let's come inside this man-made cave. Let's check what's inside here. Come on, let's go. Yan. So guys, I am now came to face with the animals here inside this cave. Yan.
Stop! Stop! Sabi ko na stop!
This is what? This is a very tiny monkey. See, what's the name? What's the name of this monkey? Cotton top tamarin.
What the fuck?
Yan. Yan, look guys. They called it black tuft marmoset, native of South and Central America. See? Also, they are very cute little creature. Hala, ang liit-liit nila guys, oh. I think monkey ito. Parang kasing size lang siya ng ano, ng bote.
Paano
Ang
masabi?
liit-liit. There is also one over here. Over here, there's a monkey, just like the size of the big rat. Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We try to upload 2 videos a day. And please help and support my channel.